As you may or may not know, I love everything Moist Critical. I consume all of his content. And I agree with all of his takes except for one. It is when he talked about pee sitters in a podcast episode and he thinks it's weird. And I will not stand for this slander. I will sit and explain to you all the benefits of peeing sitting down. Just to note, I know about half the population sits down to pee, but I'm talking about the fellas who stand. Let me cook and persuade you to convert into a pee sitter. For one, it's more easier to set up. Think about it, when we take our cocks out and stand, there can be a struggle. And for you complete monsters that use the underwear method, why? Pee sitting is easier in a way where you don't have to think about it. It's just 2 steps and it will work 100% of the time. Step 1. You pull your pants down. Step 2. You sit on the toilet. That's it. Which moves on to my other point. You don't have to aim. Why put in effort when there's 100% way you'll never miss? And if you're just lazy like me, you can do this so mindlessly. And also, I would like to add the fact that we poop and pee sitting down. Why does it matter if we don't poop and just pee? Also, sitting down and peeing can be a great indicator if you need to poop or not. So less visits to the bathroom. Another point would be that it's more hygienic in a way where in case we have an off day of aiming, sitting down will help maintain a clean bathroom. And let's be real, we don't have 100% accuracy. Another point would be how relaxing it is because comparatively, sitting position is way more relaxing than standing. I feel like you have to put in effort for standing still for just a minute. And the biggest plus of all, it is quiet, which is huge, especially if you're not trying to be heard while peeing, man. If it's the middle of the night and you decide you need to go pee and you pee standing up, it's going to be loud. Even if you don't pee directly in the water, you're setting yourself up to make a mess with the readjusting of the aim and the recoil coming back. In general, no one wants to hear you pee. No one wants to hear it. What are the cons? None. I digress. I feel like peeing sitting down is not talked about much and it is taboo to a lot of people. So I'm telling you that it is the best, efficient, clean, and quiet way of peeing. That's my TED Talk. Thanks for hanging out with me.
Baby girl, you're so dang lovely. I'm surprised you with me, girl, I'm so dang ugly. When I'm with you, boo, I never got to choose. You's the only one I wanna have a kid with to watch Blue's Clues. Yeah, you hold it down with the fam. Filipino food, girl, you cooking that spam. Breakfast, the toast, no butter, just jam. I never feel better than when I hold your hands. Yeah.